As far as Doge support floor, it really is currently $0.056, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost examination especially is negative today in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge falls 17.01% in 7 days amazingly. 18 August 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin in every way that really matters? Is Doge a kind of wise interest in and in every practical sense, significant way? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination in every practical sense, let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a kind of significant manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $71,015,534,287, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it essentially is currently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%. Which especially shows that the complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $71,015,534,287, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is presently $0.056, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value decline of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an essentially enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, which basically shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the Doge specialized investigation, basically let us generally discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, or so they really thought. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, for the most part is somewhere around 13.42, and right now exchanging at 51 cents, exhibiting that market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,053,100,425,532, or so they truly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical. These occasions really show that the market sort of is going in a for the most part descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which essentially is genuinely critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an exceptionally enormous way. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more by and large dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how support sort of is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become most certainly more sort of dynamic and, all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers especially become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Doge fall 17.01% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part is at $0.063, down 5.72% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 17.01% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 784,462,380.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $8,847,227,325 United States dollars, showing that as of now, an extremely broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. There fundamentally are practically 140,641,036,384 generally are available for use out of 140,641,036,384, exhibiting how similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers in a real sense move genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Doge fall 17.01% in 7 days, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 18 August 2023, inside an essentially day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it by and large is presently $0.056, which generally is very critical. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA to by and large examine the future development of the Dogecoin. While Doge's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, essentially signal most certainly is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how there especially are practically 140,641,036,384, especially are available for use out of 140,641,036,384. Exhibiting how similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Doge fall 17.01% in 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to by and large sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The truly relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at